Motherhood has really changed me. It made me such a better person. Oh, the joy, the pitter-patter of little feet. Nothing can compare. Here's my daughter, the love of my life, my precious sunshine, still asleep, sleeping like an angel, like only babies can. Oh, I don't know who I'd be without her. Sweet, beautiful baby. Gonna see her precious face. She really has the most beautiful face of any baby girl that I've ever seen, that's for sure. See here. She's still sleeping. Little sweetheart. Not a morning baby. Oh, there you are, gorgeous.